is Justice Smith. I just had a birthday and I am 7 years old. Today I'm going to tell you how to cast a fishing pole. As you can see, I have a Black Panther fishing pole. It says Avengers. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it says Avengers right there. And so first, what you want to do when you cast a fishing pole is you want to, this type of fishing pole, you want to bring this line up here, do this like that, and then cast it out. And then you're going to flick this part back over here and reel it in just a little bit more until this is straight, like right now.
Oh, I think you got one.
Oh, yeah.
I think you got one. It's a bag. Get in the camera so they can see you.
I got a big one.
Hurry.
I got a big one. Oh my God.
There you go.
It's a good old worm.
Mm-hmm.
And right now. I'll release you right now. You ready, guys? Look at all the fishies. I'm gonna put out.
Go ahead, bud.
3, 2, 1, go!
Big boys.
There they go.
Do you see any? Or they scatter fast, isn't they?
I saw one of them.
They gone. They free. Good work, dude. Good work.